Dear friends, as the snow blankets the world in a serene embrace and the twinkling lights adorn our homes, let us take a moment to reflect on the true essence of this season, a celebration of love, compassion, and the hope for a better world. In a world marred by conflicts and discord, let this Christmas be a beacon of peace, lighting the way to a future where humanity is united in its pursuit of understanding and harmony. As we gather with our loved ones, may the warmth of these moments inspire us to extend that warmth to all, fostering a spirit of togetherness that transcends borders and differences. The year draws to a close, and with it, we have an opportunity to leave behind the burdens of hatred and greed that have weighed heavily on our collective conscience. In the coming year, let us resolve to eradicate the seeds of discord, nurturing instead the seeds of empathy and kindness. For in unity, we find strength, and in understanding, we discover the path to lasting peace. This Christmas, let our hearts be filled not only with the joy of the season but also with a deep yearning for a world free from the shackles of war. Let the carols we sing echo a melody of love that drowns out the dissonance of conflict. May the flickering candles symbolize our commitment to dispelling the darkness of animosity, paving the way for a dawn of tranquility. In the coming year, let us strive to build bridges where there are walls, sow seeds of compassion where there is bitterness, and extend a hand of friendship where there is strife. Together we can rewrite the narrative of our shared humanity, turning the page on a history marred by divisions and creating a story of unity, understanding, and collective progress. As we exchange gifts and share festive meals, let us not forget the greatest gift of all, the gift of a peaceful existence for ourselves and for generations yet to come. May this holiday season and the approaching new year be a turning point, a moment in time when we collectively choose love over hatred, understanding over ignorance, and peace over conflict, wishing you and your loved ones a Christmas filled with joy and a new year brimming with the promise of a more compassionate and harmonious world.